Káàbọ̀, welcome. If you're new to this channel, my name is Temitope and I am a Yoruba native that grew up in Lagos and now living in the UK. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to do so. I appreciate your support and engagement. Today we're going to have a look at how to express your opinions in Yoruba. Are you ready? Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ. Let's go. Ro, to think. This is the verb for to think. We're going to see how this verb is used in the phrases to express opinions. Mo ro bẹ́ẹ̀. I think so. Mo ro bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ò rò bẹ́ẹ̀. I don't think so. Mi ò rò bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo rò pé. I think that. Mo rò pé. Here's an example. Mo rò pé ó ti sùn. I think that he or she has slept. Mi ò rò pé. I don't think that. Mi ò rò pé. Another example here. Mi ò rò pé ó fẹ́ jáde. I don't think he or she wants to go out. Lérò means to have a thought. This is another way to express something that you're thinking about. Lérò is actually made up of two words, ní and èrò. Ní means to have, èrò is a thought. So together, contracted makes lérò. Here's an example. Mo lérò pé ó ti sùn. I think that he or she has slept. Mọ̀, to know. It's the verb to know, mọ̀. Mo mọ̀ pé. I know that. Mo mọ̀ pé. An example here. Mo mọ̀ pé mo ṣì. I know that I got it wrong. Mi ò mọ̀ pé. I don't know that. Mi ò mọ̀ pé. Another example. Mi ò mọ̀ pé ó sálọ. I didn't know that he or she ran away. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá. I don't know if or whether. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ó rà á. I don't know if he or she bought it. Gbàgbọ́. This is the verb for to believe. Gbàgbọ́, to believe in something or to believe something. Mo gbàgbọ́ pé. I believe that. Mo gbàgbọ́ pé. Mo gbàgbọ́ pé Ọlọ́run wà. I believe that God exists. Mi ò gbàgbọ́ pé. I don't believe that. Mi ò gbàgbọ́ pé. Fẹ́, to want. Fẹ́ actually has other meanings. Fẹ́ can also mean to wish for, to marry, to blow on something, or when something is about to happen, we use fẹ́. So fẹ́ is a homonym. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation, but they have different meanings. So in English, think about the word palm, so palm of the hand, and palm tree. You can see they're written the same way, but it's different. Mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. I want it like that. Mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. I don't want it like that. Mi ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Dájú, to be certain. Dájú can also mean to have no empathy or to have no sympathy. And so just keep this one in mind, dájú. But here we're going to use it as to mean to be certain about something. So dájú is made up of two different words, as you can see, dá and ojú. So dá here, that means for something to clear. Ojú is eye or eyes. So when you say dájú, it's almost like your eyes are clear. So that's another interesting thing in Yoruba. As I always say, Yoruba is a rich language. So dájú here, we're using it as to be certain. Ó dá mi lójú. I am certain. It basically means it's clear to me, it's certain to me. You see here that daju is kind of split, so you have the mi in between, but this is how you would say it. O da mi loju. O daju means it is certain. O daju. Ko daju, it is not certain. Ko daju. She is a phrase that we use for possible, when something is possible. O she, it is possible. O she, ko she, it is not possible. Ko she, le means can or could. Le. O le jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, it could be so. O le jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, kò lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, it can't be so. Kò lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Now we've covered some phrases. As always, there are many other phrases that you can use to express your opinion, but just start with this one. Try and practice how to use them, and at least if you hear them next time, you know what they mean. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up to show that you liked the content. Feel free to comment as well. I do like to read comments, so I'll be grateful if you comment, or just show some love and like the video. Ẹ ṣé gan, a ríra lọ́sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. We will see each other next week. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.